Landscape photography. 5 tips, 5 days, each day one tip, each tip less than a minute. Let's first learn it, then we'll click it all in less than a minute. Let's get started. Let's first learn it. Today's first tip will be about layering. Layering is a powerful tool to indicate depth perception. Now let's click it. We have an example here which will help us understand layering in more details. If you observe carefully, you will notice that the first layer is water. Let's call it foreground layer. The second layer, as you can see, is the subject layer. We will generally try to place the subject in the middle layers so as to have a pleasing composition. In the third layer, we have included some land to give more depth to the scene. We will call this as the supporting layer. And for the final layer, we have included the sky. Let's name this the background layer. Never put your subject on the background layer as it won't make that much of an impact in your photo. So you saw, by having layers in your photo, you have given a 3D feel to a 2D photo. So this was tip number 1 in a series of 5 tips. Hope you liked it, and if you did, do not forget to click the like and subscribe button and do ring the bell. Until next time, stay safe and click with me.